on YouTube? It's your boy Aquatic Predator here, and today we're trying to catch monster fish. We're trying to catch whatever we can catch out there in the Chattahoochee River. Let's see. I got a surprise for you. Got something major in this box. So let's pull it out so you can see it. It's a monster carp. A monster carp. Just caught him on Red Wiggles. This is the prime weight that I like to catch. It's probably about a 10 pounder. So it's a monster carp. Just caught him on red worms. He got a crusher mouth on him, so he eats all the mussels and clams and things on the bottom of the river. But he also takes small vertebrae. So this right here is your Carmen carp, and this is a monster, YouTube, a monster. This is what we try to catch on Aquatic Predators, monster fish.